This is an overview of the My Meetings settings within Grain, where you customize how your meetings are captured and shared. The first section here is the bot capture settings. You can dictate which meetings the Grain bot automatically captures and which meetings it automatically shares. As you can see, you can choose between external and internal meetings, as well as a few other options like only auto capturing if you are the event organizer. External and internal meetings are determined based on the domains of the invited participants' emails within each meeting. So if they are internal domains, then the meeting will be marked as internal. If any of the domains are outside of your company domains, then it will be marked as external. Whatever external or internal meetings you have selected here are those that will get auto-captured or automatically shared with your team. Down below, you can also choose to change who gets a meeting recap email. You can choose to send it to all participants, just those who are internal, or you could just send it to those who are within your Grain workspace or not send one at all. Additionally, you can customize your bot display settings. If you select customize here, it'll give you a list of options, including the bot name, whether or not it sends a chat message, and whether or not it has a video display. And you can always turn off the chat message and video display if you'd like. You can also dictate the recording mode down below. Choose if it records the active speaker or if it does a gallery view or just does the audio with no video. And you can choose how it records screen shares, whether it does overlap or a side-by-side or hides and shows only the screen share. Moving on to desktop capture settings. These are very similar to the bot capture settings we saw, but they would be captured using the desktop app and no bot would be joining your meeting. Again, you can dictate whether it's external or internal meetings or both that get auto-captured and automatically shared with your team. And again, you can change the meeting recap emails and who they are sent to. Down here we have general settings, and this is where you can change the link access to the meetings you have. You can change it to be accessible to anyone with a link, only members of your workspace, or only members that you have specified have access. The template setting here allows you to select which templates get applied to meetings by default, and you can have a different note template apply to external and internal meetings, and this dropdown will show all of the personal customized note templates you have created in your workspace, as well as a few that come pre-built with Grain.